Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a password-protected website using Apache on Ubuntu in Utho Cloud. Utho Cloud provides high-performance, reliable virtual machines that make web hosting and security configuration simple, fast, and scalable. Let's get started. First, we check the operating system version and set the hostname if it hasn't been configured yet. This helps identify the server easily and ensures proper system management. Next, we install the Apache web server on our Utho Cloud Ubuntu server. Apache is a reliable and widely used web server that allows us to host and secure websites with ease. Apache also provides built-in authentication modules that help protect websites using usernames and passwords. In this step, we enable Apache's authentication module so it can manage access control efficiently and securely. With Utho Cloud virtual machines, this setup is smooth and highly reliable as the servers are optimized for web hosting workloads. Even users with basic server knowledge can quickly configure and manage security features without facing performance or stability issues. Now create password file. Use the htpasswd command to create a username and password file. Now configure Apache directory. Edit the Apache configuration to require login for a specific directory or the entire site. Now restart Apache. Restart Apache to apply the changes. Now test the protected website. Visit your website. You should be prompted for a username and password before accessing the site. Great! You have successfully password protected your website using Apache on Utho Cloud.